We got action. Alright, okay, what's good, YouTube? And today, we're bringing y'all a different video. What's good, YouTube? And today, y'all caught your boy doing a little laundry. Y'all caught me doing some laundry. And y'all caught me doing a little bit of shooting. Trying to make my stuff tracking. There we go. But yeah, y'all caught your boy doing a little bit of laundry. Trying to get this stuff together. You already know. I be so busy, I don't even be having time to clean up, time to get my laundry done like I want to. Don't think I'm nasty now. Don't get it twisted. Don't think I be living foul like I be living rough. But yeah, give me a minute. In the end, I gotta go in the house, grab these clothes out of here, you know what I'm saying? And then I'll be back. But in the meantime, don't go nowhere. Stay right there. Don't go nowhere. Yeah, boy, I'm back. I'm gonna close this thing up just so nobody don't be seeing me doing my business, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, but that did let a little light in here. Let's do that. That did let a little more light in here. Went and got these little, I'm talking about, plug my mic up. Hopefully this give me some sound for real. Hopefully this give me what I've been searching for. Dirty clothes is already in the laundry. So I guess what I'm gonna do is teach y'all guys how to do y'all a little laundry lunch. Let's see. Lock. Shouldn't me saying lock. Oh, okay. I was gonna say, I thought we had a problem. But yeah, guys, trying to give y'all some of these little lifestyle vlogs. I see that's coming back into play. Everybody, you know, just doing regular stuff, man. I knew the cap would one day play out, but you gotta keep posting if you want your channel to grow. If you want your people to stay tuned into what you got going on. Y'all see, and I use that old school washing powders. Yeah. Well, yeah, though, man. Let me know what type of washing powder y'all be using. Drop down in that comment section. Let me know y'all favorite brand. You know? Put this little scooper back in here. That's all we need was 1 cup. Because I already got some clothes in here. But I'm going to have to, you know, get right. Chef up. I'm going to put these right here. I'm gonna put these bad boys right here, cause I'm gonna have to wash them, cause I already had a load. And then I'm gonna take y'all with me, man. For real. I would take y'all with me, but ain't no need. I'm gonna run back around here, get these few items that I left off the porch. On the porch. I'll be right back. Yeah, get this laundry knocked out. That'll be one less task I have to worry about, you know. Take y'all with me, man. See my junk I don't need to do that. Just trying to have a mind of his own. Follow me. Follow me. Nah, see, you done messed up. You done. Yeah, you done fucked up. What you got going on? Follow me. Go for real, for real. We ain't got nothing going on, but probably go in the house with it. Probably go in the dang on house with it. What y'all know about that dang on country boy? Dang on. But y'all like, what is a dang on? But this is usually what I do on my off day. Just chill, relax, have some deep thoughts. Try to put some stuff together, you know, because I got this cargo van business that I'm about to start. So that's always on my brain. I'm really feeling this gimbal, you know, because it's following me, it's tracking my every move, making me feel very, very, very important, you know. You know? But I ain't got nothing going on, man. I'm just, see, my junk keep going crazy.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace. We out. One love.